I'm just sitting on the dock by myself, reading, actually. Got my camera, my iPod, my shoes, cell phone, of course. It's just so gorgeous out here. But I'm whispering and I'm all by myself, so there's no point in whispering. There's bugs everywhere. I'm being attacked. Look. Do you see him? Go away. It's Katie's boat. It's Katie's boat. And her God is up there. They're probably watching me thinking, I'm sorry. I don't mind. Hey. Sit here and stare at the water. What's my favorite? In the corner you can see all the trees. Over the hill. Look at all the clouds went away, guys. It's gonna stay sunny and warm.